children. How are you all? Yes, today we are going to discuss a very interesting one. That is, first I'll ask some questions to you. So first let me know about it. So first, where are you living now? That is in a country or in a city. Country means it's not a country, India, America, not like so. Country means a village. So, are you living in a village or are you living in a city? So, where do you live? Yes, we all are in cities. So, now, which life you like it? Either to live in city or to live in village. So, we have so many opinions, sometimes to live in a village and sometimes to live in city only. So many are there, right? So, now, what do you like more to live in a city and what do you like more to live in village? At the same time, what you don't like in city and what you don't like in village. So that we can discuss, and before going to that, so first we can see our poem here. The poet, what he likes most, whether the village life or the country life, that is a city life, sorry. Village or country life or else city life. Which one he likes the most? That we can see in this poem. The poem name is The Country Child. What is that? The Country Child. So it's our second poem, The Country Child. So what is this country means? It is nothing but village. Country means village. So who is staying in the village? Almost like the forest area. So in that place, who is living, that person's opinion we can see in this poem. So now see the poem, all of you. Yes, my home is a house near a wood. My home is a house near a wood. So what is this home? House. Yes, house, you know, that kind of building like that. Home means where we have more and more relations with all the people, that is called home. That's why whenever we have all the people in our house and with good relations, homely atmosphere, they say, you know that? Yes. So my home is a house near a wood. So what is this wood? So wood means here line of trees. So more and more trees, if we have a line of trees, less than forest place, but not forest, almost looking like that. So the greenery, so that we call it wood. Wood means here we can take it a big trees in a line, looking like forest but not forest. Understood this one? Yes. My home is a house near a wood. I would live in a street if I could. I would live in a street. Where are the streets? In this kind of place do we have streets? No. That means in the cities. If I could, if possible, that means he is showing interest to live in the city instead of this. Why? What happened? Generally we believe all the people they like to live in villages. So they want to stay there. But now this boy is showing interest to come to the city life. By leaving that village life. What is that? See the poem, then we can understand. There is no one to play with at all. So it is a woods area. So that's why there is no one to play with at all. In that place, so he has no one to play with him. So he is alone. The trees are so high, as so tall, I should be lonely for hours. So there is no one to play with at all. So he has no friends in that village. And the trees are so high and so tall. Yes, woods are tall, trees. These trees are very high. So he cannot jump and all these things. He cannot do that. And the trees are so high and so tall. I should be lonely for hours. So no friends, and he cannot climb the trees and he cannot play there. That's why he feels lonely there. So alone, lonely means only one person, lonely. So lonely means one person without any others. One person or alone we can call it. alone. So without any others. So if we are like that, can we lead our life? We feel bored. So we don't want to stay there. So now here he felt lonely for hours alone there. Were it not for birds and the flowers. Were it not for the birds. But the birds, do they feel lonely? No, they are not alone because they flew away, their group are there, number of birds and flowers. So that's why they never feel alone there. But this boy has no friends there, so he cannot play with anyone. That's why he felt very bored and alone there. And I wish that I lived in a town. So that's why he wants to live in a town. Why? What is the reason? What can he enjoy in the city? So in a town, to see all the trams going down, to see all the trams. So what are these trams? Trams means here vehicles going on. So that is the passengers going on the vehicles. So that what we call traffic here. The passengers, people going on the vehicles. All the vehicles are going, coming like this means who are going, who are coming, what are they doing, everything we can see. So like that he wants to enjoy here. So these trams means passengers, vehicles. Passengers, vehicles. So he wants to see the trams going down. So by standing standing in our balconies also, in house balconies or else a terrace, we can see how the vehicles are going on, right? So that he wants to see and he wants to enjoy with that at least. And a twinkling street that is bright with wonderful colors at night. And a twinkling streets. So what is this twinkling? You know that twinkling stars. So twinkle, twinkle, little stars. So twinkling streets here. Twinkling streets means bright, colorful lights. Bright, colorful lights. So in the night time he wants to see that very bright, colorful lights. And in the daytime or night time he wants to see the trams, that is the passengers vehicles. So by seeing all these things he never feels alone. But in the village no friends there and no vehicles, nothing he can see, and all the trees are very tall. He cannot climb those trees and he cannot play of his own. So that's why he felt lonely alone there. That's why he wants to come to the city life. He wants to enjoy there. So that night time, by seeing these twinkling streets and the trams going down, by seeing that he wants to enjoy himself. With that feeling he wants to come to the city life instead of village life, country life. So understood this, children? So this the poet felt about the country life with the city life. He compared these two and at last he felt city life is better than country life in his opinion. Understood this? Yes. So now, this poem once again you read it, you can understand again. So I am reading it once again. You hear this one, follow me and speak it. Along with me, all of you read this poem also. Dear children, say this. My home is a house near a wood. My home is a house near a wood. I would live in a street if I could. I would live in a street if I could. There is no one to play with at all. Here there is no one to play at all. The trees are so high and so tall. The trees are so high and so tall. I should be lonely here, alone here for hours. So hours together. Mother and dad, they go to the work and they do. So he should spend alone there. So lonely for hours. Were it not for the birds and the flowers. But it's not for the birds and flowers because they flew away. The flowers they together. That's why they never feel alone. But the boy, the poet feels alone because no one with him to play. So were it not for the birds and the flowers, I wish that I would in a town to see all the trams going down, the twinkling street that is bright with wonderful colors at night. So the twinkling streets he want to see because those are filled with the wonderful colors at night. Very bright colors, colorful lights that he can see at night. With that he wanted to enjoy. Understood this one? Yes. So go through this poem and then we can do the questions.